Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Ross immersible homo mixer. It's their 501 model. And you see they use a small impeller above the homogenizing head. It's out of the water right now as we have to keep just the head immersed in fluid. It's the ME 501 model. This also can be used in a pressurized vessel. Has a seal assembly built into it, you see right here. Got a John Crane seal in it. Has a new WEG drive on it. Unit is completely reconditioned. We're running on 220 3-phase voltage right now. Got a nice flow out of the Ross mixer. We have lots of homogenizers like this in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.